Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to explain the directions on how to complete the writing stretchy sentences activity. I'm going to start by showing you card number 1, which is already done for you. On this card, you'll see a picture and a sentence. It says, "The girl yelled." And we want to think about how we can stretch this sentence out. The sentence already has the girl. That tells us who. Then it says yelled. That tells us what. Now we want to think of ways that we can add more information to our sentence. We could add where she yelled. We could say when she yelled. We could say how she yelled or why she yelled. You have lots of choices on how you would like to stretch the sentence. Below you'll see that one student already wrote a sentence and stretched it out by adding where. So instead of saying the girl yelled, this student wrote the girl yelled in class. What is another way that we could stretch the sentence? Maybe we could add why. So maybe I could write on the second line, I could stretch that sentence even more. I could say, the girl yelled in class because she was mad. That would really stretch that sentence out. Let's look at another example. Card number 2 has a picture of a boy laying down with a pillow and a blanket. The original sentence says, the boy slept. It is already telling us who and what. Let's look at what one student wrote to stretch out that sentence. This student said, the boy slept like a baby. They told us how he slept. If he slept like a baby, that means he slept very well. Or they could write the sentence another way. Instead of saying the boy slept, you could say the boy slept last night. This is telling us when he slept. Now it's your turn to practice writing stretchy sentences using the 5 W's: who, what, where, when, why, how, or why. Look at the picture. Someone might say the girl is watering. How can we stretch that sentence out? I already told you who and what. Maybe you could add where she is, or you can add when, or maybe how or why. On your paper, I want you to write one way you could stretch that sentence, or and another way. So I do want you to write 2 ways that you could stretch that sentence out. When you're done, you're going to practice again with this picture. I want you to write 2 stretchy sentences. Try to include who, what, along with some of the others. You can pick what you want to do. Now these lines are kind of small, so you'll need to make sure you're using your very best handwriting and you're kind of writing a little bit smaller than you normally do so you can fit a whole sentence here. Don't forget capital letter at the beginning and a period at the end. And last but not least, don't forget to find a spot to put your name, maybe right up here. Let's do that now. All right, have fun stretching those sentences.